Hello friends, welcome in the new session. We are discussing in this session on line weight. Go to the format menu, line weight command available, or enter LW, enter. Line weight setting dialog box appear on the screen. Where is the line weight used? In architectural drawing or electrical drawing. When we draw this type of drawing, like layout drawings or wire diagrams, then we change the colors of lines, red, green, yellow. Also we change thickness of line. In this time we use line weight setting or line weight. First, display line weight. Okay, this checkbox, click here, display line weight. Okay, display line weight means this is default line weight 00 by layer or by block. Close, first we close. Okay, select the line, enter PR, properties. Here is line weight. Okay, first line we change the line weight 0.30 mm and color is red. Okay, then select second line, color is green and PR, enter properties, and line weight is 0.15. Okay, then select last one, color is yellow, line weight is PR, enter properties, and line weight is 0.70. In the display there is no change line weight, no change any line thickness, because we cannot check display line weight setting. Okay, click on display line weight, click OK. After that line weight is changed. Okay, red, green, yellow. Okay, in many different drawings we require line weight command, colors. So this is the important command, line weight. Okay, new commands in the new session, remaining commands in the next session. Okay, any query we can contact me on my WhatsApp number or mobile number. Anytime you can call me on my WhatsApp number or mobile number. Thank you. That's all. Bye.